This is NECO July 2022 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 8a. And the question says, given that x equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by square root of inside the square root you have y over a. This is the formula that is given. We have two questions to answer, Roman 1 and 2. Roman 1 says express y in terms of a and x. This question simply refers to make y subject of the formula. And Roman 2 says hence or otherwise. That is from what you have in Roman 1. You are to find the value of y when a is 3 and x is 1 over 2. Either you make use of what you have in Roman 1, that is hence, or if there is other way of finding the value of y when a is 3 and x is 1 over 2, just go ahead and find it. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to this very problem. What you do first, to copy the given formula, that is x equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by square root of inside the square root you have y divided by a. So in attempt to make y here subject of the formula, you need to clear this 1 over 4 from this right hand side. To clear this 1 over 4, you now multiply both sides by 4. When you multiply both sides by 4, you are going to have 4x by the left equals to root of y over a. The 4 that you multiply by the right hand side, cancel this 4 below, so you have 1 times the square root. So we continue. So next, in attempt to get to y, you now take power 2 to both sides. If that is now done, 4x square will now be 4 square x square, and 4 square will give answer 16 equals to y over a. The power 2 that you have taken by the right will now clear the square root. So you just have y over a. So next is to cross multiply. Y times 1 here gives answer y 16x squared times a. That answer will be 16ax squared. So you have y equals to 16ax squared. So I have expressed y in terms of a and x. So y is now made subject of the formula. So Roman 1 has now been answered. Now move to Roman 2. I'll make use of what I have here in Roman 1. The formula for y, to find the value of y, but given a as 3, x as 1 over 2. So to find what will now be y there, I will now substitute a by 3 in this formula. X by 1 over 2. So there you are now going to have y equals to 16 times a, so will now be 16 times 3 times x squared. So x is now 1 over 2. So you have 1 over 2 in the bracket, and the bracket raised to the power of 2. So I'll simplify this. 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 means 1 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 2. And the 1 raised to 2 is 1. 2 raised to 2 give answer 4. So you now have 16 times 3 times 1 over 4. Multiplying this 3 correctly give answer 12. So this would now be the value of y when a is 3 and x is 1 over 2. And this answered the Roman 2 questions. So let me just share how this question is now marked during the market of this NECO 2022. So the very first mark is method 1 mark. And this method 1 mark, when you now clear this 1 over 4 that you have here by the right, by multiplying both sides by 4, you have this method 1 mark. Next mark is taking power 2 to both sides to get 16x squared equals to y over a. You have this method 1 mark. And when you now cross multiply and get your y, the formula y equals to 16ax squared, accurately you have this accuracy 1 mark. Next mark is method 1 mark. When you now substitute the value of a and x in the formula for y, you have this method 1 mark. And the final mark is accuracy 1 mark. When you have the value of y as to 12 exactly, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this question 8A has 5 good marks.